Hi guys, if your Apple Watch is not turning on, then here is the fix. The first fix is to force restart your Apple Watch. So for that, just press the crown and this button together and keep it pressed until you see the Apple iPhone logo appearing in the center of the screen. So let's do it. Just press these two buttons and keep it pressed. Wait for a few seconds until you see Apple logo appearing on the center of the screen. Now once you see the Apple iPhone logo appearing on the center of the screen, you can leave these two buttons. Now you have forcefully restarted your Apple Watch and then see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Now if this does not work, then try to clean your charger, your Apple Watch charger, with a clean cloth. Okay, maybe some debris or dirt or something is sticking onto this. Try to clean it and try to clean the back portion of your watch also with clean microfiber cloth, and then try to charge it again. The third fix is maybe your battery is super drained and that's why your Apple Watch is not turning on. So in that case, what you can do, you can just charge it, let it charge for 2 to 3 hours so that its battery get jumped up, its battery gets fully charged. Even though you know that for fully charging the Apple Watch it only takes half an hour, but in case of super drained battery you have to charge it for 2 to 3 hours, and then after that try to start it by pressing the crown and see whether this issue gets resolved or not. Other method is, what happens that sometimes your charging pad is okay, but the adapter with which this charging pad is connected is faulty. So try to insert this thing into a new adapter and see whether your adapter is faulty or not, and then try again and see whether it works or not. Thanks for watching. Please do like.